Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to this one-off special. Yes, I am on holiday, but I thought this is important enough to tell you about straight away. Now, you'll remember on Monday Matters, I reported on the rumour that Revell had revived their 1/32nd scale Gloucester Meteor project, but instead of being the F Mark III they originally thought it was going to be, they changed their mind and gone for a more popular aircraft, the F8, which also, of course, they can then, with an alteration to the nose, make as an FR9. Now, the very following day, Luke Slaney-Hewitt from Revell got in touch with me. He's now the product manager for aircraft and space vehicles. And he confirmed the rumours are true. Revell are working on a 1/32nd scale F Mark 8. He gave me a lot more information to share with you as well. Luke and the team have been around the country scanning airframes. First was the Newark Air Museum, where there's a very well preserved FR9. The fuselage has an intake on the back for vertical lift trials of the Rolls-Royce RB108 lift engine, but the nose section is as built. So that was the bit that they scanned at high resolution. For the bulk of the fuselage, Revell scanned the F8 at the Jet Age Museum, including scanning a Derwent engine. Revell say they will provide fully detailed engines, which can be shown either in the aircraft or on a separate support frame, dare I say a little like the Airfix 1/48 scale kit. Another airframe they scanned was the Prone Meteor, then at the RF Museum at Cosford, but now at Newark. Luke was at pains to say they're not planning a Prone Meteor, but it does have some early model items such as smaller ailerons, wider air intakes, and an earlier canopy shape. Pity, I'd have loved to make a 1/32nd Prone Meteor. Now, given the scale of the project and where they're at the moment, if they're doing scanning, then you're not going to see this much before maybe. I mean, this time next year would be, I think, quite optimistic, to be perfectly honest, depending on how much work they've already done on the F3 project. If they've done a considerable amount of the design work on that and then just adapting and refining with the new scan data, maybe they're a bit further on, and maybe say November of next year in time for Telford, a big reveal at Telford wouldn't be such a bad thing. Could be part of a whole new sort of regeneration of the brand, or a sort of relaunch and sort of reinforcement of the brand, which I think many of us I know feel has sort of gone sideways a little bit in the last few years. But I know there's a lot of new energy there, Luke being part of that. And I suspect they want to make a big splash, a really big splash with this. I think they'll be ideally aiming at November next year, but I know it's a big ask, but who knows? Maybe they can pull it off. Now, I don't know anything about price either, and I don't know what schemes they're going to come with. I would guess they'll have RAF schemes. I would guess they'll also have Australian schemes, definitely for the F8, because that would be a great sales market to get into. As soon as I know any of that, hopefully Luke will pass that on from Revell and I'll be able to share it with you. Maybe chuck it into Monday Matters from time to time to see how the project is going. Whatever they give me, I'll be sure to share with you. Now, if you've enjoyed this show, and I hope you have, please do remember, if you want to subscribe to the channel, give it some support. Doesn't cost you anything. And if you also hit the bell button, you'll get notified of all my future projects as they turn up. And anything you like on my channel, please remember, give it the old thumbs up, the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Do come back for more news, reviews and commentary on Monday Matters every week. And of course, all my other content as it's published. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you again soon. Take very good care now, and goodbye.